Hi, I'm Evan Joseph. Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, it's because you are considering becoming a member of my YouTube channel. Over the years, curly hair care has become increasingly popular, making it increasingly complicated. I believe in curly hair care simplified. So by becoming a member of my channel, you will learn my simple, easy to understand techniques that work for all textures and stylists of all levels. You will have access to my exclusive tutorials on cutting, coloring, and styling added regularly. So go ahead, become a member, and join my community. Can't wait to teach you everything that I've learned over the past 20 years about caring for curly hair in a way that benefits not only the client, but also the stylist. Thanks for becoming a member.